Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone, hope you are all fit and fine. Today we are discuss how to create Google Ads account. So first of all, go to the Google and type here Google Ads. Then the links. Then if you want, click here. You can, and this link you can, no problem. So I can click this link and go this overview overview. Then if you want sign in, you can select it, and if you want to start now, you can select it, no problem. So uh, I I want to create new Google Ads account. That's why start now. Click okay. Sometimes you can see my previous. You can see this many Google Ads account. So you can to switch your previous Google account. You can select this Google account. Right now I want to Google new. That's why new Google click okay button. You're waiting sometimes. So we see two options: create a fast campaign. One fast campaign create directory. You can select that, and you can first of all ready your Google Ads account. So you can select skip campaign creation. Okay, so I select skip campaign creation, and with sometimes then you can see this pop-up and option. First of all, your selected billing country. So my billing country is Bangladesh. That's why I select. If you another country, you can select your country as you wish. Then this is by default time zone BDD time. So that's it. So this is currency. If you want to another currency use, you can, no problem. So this is I select US dollar, USD currency. Then if you want to campaign guidance from a Google Ads expert by phone, but I don't need. That's why I can select no. If you need to get tips, promo offer, testing and feedback opportunity, new future invitation by email, no need. If you need, you can select yes. So I right now I select yes, then submit. Then waiting. This is your Google Ads account. You can see this. You can see Congress. You are all done. My Google Ads account is all done. Just select explore your account. Then you can see Google overview and Google dashboard. So first of all, I select my brand name and my name and another's names of Google Ads account. We are see some just Google Ads account. So I want to Google Ad account. That's why admin, then preference, meeting. This is loading right now. That's why some problem. So we are seeing add account name from the computer, right? So I want to rename that. So this is I want to Mollik test 02 because previous my test account. So I test 2. I'll save it. Right now you can see no name. So wait sometimes, and you can okay, you can just refresh this site, and you can see hopefully amazing this. So this is Pappu Mollik test the name. That's why you can't properly see that, but Pappu Mollik digital marketer demo. Then refresh this site. Hopefully you can see at least digital marketing name, because this name is you can see that. Okay, so thank you so much for your watching my video. Take care, see you soon.